Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about a topic, some natural phenomena. Okay, chapter 15, page number 184. Okay, we already know about wind, storms, and cyclones in the previous class, right? Cyclones, wind, storm cause what? Damage to human life and property. It is a natural disaster, isn't it, ma? We study already in the previous class, right? Then the next topic is lightning. What is meant by lightning? In our area, you might see some sparks on the electric pole because of wire, shaking of wire. The sparks are called what? Lightning. It is a electric spark but on a huge scale. Okay, in ancient times, people did not understand the cause of these spark. They are afraid of lightning in the ancient periods. In the old age and all, the people are afraid to see the sparks because they don't know about the spark, right? So here in our day-to-day life, we not afraid of lightning, but we have to take precaution to protect ourselves from the deadly sparks. We know the idea, right? To give precaution to protect ourselves from the sparks. Then the sparks that know in the Greek periods. In ancient Greeks period, if we rub if we rubbed with fur, it attract light objects such as hair, right? And also, if a wooden or polyester cloth, your hair stands on end. If you take off these cloths in the dark, you even see a spark and hear a crackling sound also, okay, in the dark place in the ancient Greek period. Then about charging by rubbing. While rubbing, how the charge occurs. When when you are taking a plastic comb is rubbed with a dry hair, it occurs a small charge. These objects are called what? Charge object. Okay. When a plastic comb is rubbed with a dry hair, what happen? There may be some small charge occur. These objects are called what? Charge object. Okay. Then types of charges and their interaction. What are the types of charges and their interaction? Here they have given one activity using two balloons. So here a charged balloon repelled a charged balloon, but a charged refill repelled a charged refill. Okay, but a charged balloon attracted a charged refill also. In this activity, we want to take two balloons, hang them in such a way that do not touch each other. We want to hang two balloons, but the two balloons are need not touch each other. Rub both the balloons with the woolen cloth and release them. What happened? If you observe that, what happened? It is slightly repelling. Then repeat this activity with the use of what? Pen refill also. Rub one refill with polythene. Place it carefully in a glass tumbler. Using what? Tumbler as a stand. Then rub the other refill also with what? Polythene. Bring it close to the charged refill. Be careful not to touch the charged end with your hand. What will you observe? Do they two attract each other or repel each other? What happened? they may be repel, right? So only they have summarized what? Some absorption in this activity. What is absorption? A charged balloon repelled a charged balloon. If you rub it with the polythene cloth, what happened? It become charged, so it repel each other. Then a charged refill also repelled a charged refill, but a charged balloon attract a charged refill. Okay, see the picture, figure 15.3. There a charged balloon and charged refill or attract each other. Okay, same kind of object repel each other, but opposite kind may attract each other like a magnet. Then transfer of charged. Here also one activity. Take a empty jam bottle. Take a piece of cardboard slightly bigger in size than the mouth of the bottle. Pierce a hole in it so that a metal paper clip can be inserted. Using the hole, we want to clip the metal paper clip. So open out the paper clip. Cut two strips of aluminum foil about 4 cm into 1 cm each. Hang them on a paper clip. In the picture you see, ma, they have hang a rubber metal foil, right? Aluminum foil about 4 cm into 1 cm each. Hang them on a paper clip. Insert a paper clip in a cardboard in a perpendicular direction. Then charge the refill and touch it with the end of the paper clip. Observe what happens. The aluminum foil strips receive same charge from the charged refill through what? Paper clip. Okay. The strips carefully charges and repel each other and they become what? Wide open. Such a device can be used to test whether an object is carrying charge or not. This device is called what? Electroscope. The aluminum foil strips receive the same charge from the charged refill and through the paper clip. So, the strips carrying similar charges repel each other and then becomes what? Wide open. Such a device is called what? Electroscope device. Okay, it is a simple electroscope device. We want to charge the aluminum foil and also what? Refill through a paper clip. Okay, then do you understand this activity, ma? First we want to take what? Empty jam bottle. Take a piece of cardboard. Then we want to keep a piece of cardboard in the bottom of the jam bottle. Then we want to put a hole and we want to insert what? Metal paper clip. Then open out the paper clip. Cut two strips of aluminum foil about 4 cm to 1 cm each and hang it on the paper clip. Then charge the refill and touch it with the end of the paper clip. If we want to charge the refill and touch the paper clip. See the picture? We are touching with the paper refill with the paper clip. Then the aluminum foil strips receive the same charge from the charged refill through the paper clip. We are touching the paper clip, so they get charge from the paper clip. Then strips carrying similar charges repel each other and they become what? Wide open. Such a device be used to test what? An object carrying charge or not. This device is called what? Electroscope. It is a simple example of electroscope. Then The next thing is about earthening. We know about earthening, right? The foil strip lose what? Charge to the earth. Through your body, we say that the foil strips are discharged. The process of transferring of charge from charged object to the earth is called what? Earthening. A process of transferring a charge from a charged object to earth is called what? Earthening. Then earthening is provided in buildings to protect us from electrical shocks due to any leakage of electrical current. The earthening is provided in building for protect from electric shocks due to any leakage of electric current. They are protecting us from, the earthening is protecting us from the shock or leakage of electric current. Okay, then the story of lightning, where the lightning comes from. The story of lightning. Okay, the development of thunderstorm, the air current move upward while the water drops move downward. In the rainy season, the development of thunderstorm, the air current move upward while the water drops move downward. Then when the magnitude of the accumulated charges become very large, the air, which is normally a poor conductor of electricity, is no longer able to resist their flow. So negative and positive charges meet, producing what? Streaks to bright light and sound. Because of that only the lightning occurs. Okay, this process is called what? Electric discharge. The negative and positive charges meet, then it produces what? Streaks to bright light and sound in the air. So only the lightning occurs. This process is called what? Electric discharge. Okay. Then the process of electric discharge can occur between two or more clouds or between clouds and the earth. The process of electric discharge occur between what? Two or more clouds or between clouds and the earth. Then how we all become safety while lightning? What are the precautions for safety measures while lightning? During lightning and thunderstorm, no open place is safe. So, hearing the thunder is an alert to rush to a safer place. While the thunder sound, if you are hearing the thunder sound, means we want to rush and go to a safer place. After hearing the last thunder, wait for some time before coming out of the safe place. Okay. After hearing the last thunder also, you want to be safe and listen to it and come out from the same place. Okay. While hearing the thunder sound, you want to rush up to the safer place, and also after hearing the last thunder also, you want to stay there and hear the sound, and then after some more time you come out of the safer place. Okay. Finding a safe place. What are the safe place? A house or a building is a safe place from the thunder. Okay, if you are traveling by car or by bus, you are safe inside with window and doors of the vehicle shut. Okay, if you are traveling also, safe inside with window and door of the vehicles. Don't open the door and also window while traveling. Then what we are do or don't do in the thunderstorm outside. Okay, outside in open vehicles like motorbikes, tractors, construction machinery, open cars are not safe for thunder. Okay, it will attack thunder easily. So, open places not safe. Okay. Inside the house, lightning can strike telephone cords, electrical wires, and metal pipes. So, during a thunderstorm, contact with air, these should be avoided. It is safer to use mobile phones and cordless phones. It is not wise to call up a person who is receiving your phone through a wired phone. Bathing should be avoided during thunderstorm to avoid what? Contact with running water. So electrical appliance like computer, TV should also unplugged in the thunderstorm. Okay. Then lightning conductors. Lightning conductor is a device used to protect buildings from the effect of lightning. See the picture, they have used what? Lightning conductor. Lightning conductor is a device used to protect building from the effect of lightning. It absorbs the thunder, so it not affect the building. So it is a metallic rod taller than a building is installed in a walls of the building during its construction for their safety. For the building safety, they have what? Installed what? Metallic rod taller than a building to avoid thunderstorm. One end of the rod is kept out in the air and the other end is buried deep in the ground for protection. Then earthquakes. You learned in the previous class about cyclones. These natural phenomena can cause what? Large scale destruction of human life and property. Based on the weather, warm about a thunderstorm depending in some areas. If the thunder occurs, there is always a possibility of lightning and cyclones accompanying it. Okay, when thunders occurs means what happened? Lightning and cyclones also accompanies and comes at the same time. So likewise, one natural phenomena which are not yet able to predict accurately. What is this? Earthquake. Okay, it is not predicted, it is suddenly happens. Okay, it is also natural phenomena, but it is suddenly happens. Okay, it is a earthquake. It can cause what? Damage to human life and property on a large scale. Okay, like a thunder, tsunami, then cyclone, etc. Okay, then what is an earthquake? What is an earthquake? Earthquake is a sudden shaking or trembling of an earth which lasts of very short time. It is caused by the disturbance deep inside the earth. Okay, earthquake is a sudden shaking of trembling of earth which lasts very short time. It occur in very short time, but it causes what? Disturbance to deep inside the earth. Okay, then earthquake occurs all the time all over the earth. Earthquake can cause what? Floods, landslides, and also tsunamis. A major tsunamis occurred in the Indian Ocean on 26 December 2004, right? A major tsunami occurred in Indian Ocean on 26 December 2004. All the coastal area around the ocean also suffered huge loss in the tsunami, right? Then structure of earth. The outer layer of earth is not in one piece, so it is fragmented. Each fragment is called a plate. These plates are in continual motion when they brush past one another, or a plate goes under another due to what? Collision. These cause what? Disturbance in the earth crust. Okay. The tremors are caused by the disturbance deep down inside the uppermost layer of the earth called the crust. Okay. The uppermost layer of earth is called what? Crust. Then mantle. Then outer core and also inner core. You studied it in social, right? Then earthquakes are caused by the movement of plates, the boundaries of plates, or the weak zone where earthquakes are more likely to occur. The weak zone are known as what? Seismic or fault zone. Okay. Earthquake occurs in deep what? Earthquakes occurs in the boundaries of the plate or a weak zone. This weak zone is known as what? Seismic or fault zone. Then the power of the earthquakes is expressed in term of a magnitude on a scale called what? Richter scale. Okay. The power of the earthquake is measured with a scale called what? Richter scale. Okay. Then the next thing is the tremors produce waves on the surface of the earth. Okay, in the earthquake, the tremors produce what? Waves of the surface of the earth. They are called what? Seismic waves. The waves are recorded by the instrument called the seismograph. Okay, the waves are recorded by an instrument called what? Seismograph. And the length of the earthquake is measured by what? Richter scale. Then the instrument is simply a vibrating rod or a pendulum which starts vibrating when tremors occur. A pen is attached to the vibrating system. The pen records the seismic waves on the paper which moves under it. See the picture, ma? Picture 15.13. A seismograph is shown, right? In the seismograph, they have what? Rotating drum, pen, chart paper, then string. Okay. Then, what are the protection against earthquake? What are the protection? We take necessary precaution to protect ourselves all the time because we don't know when the natural disasters occurs. We don't know, so we want to take what? Protection for ourselves for all the time. People live in the seismic zone when the earthquakes are more likely to occur, so there may be some protection needed. Then what are the advisable to make the structure simple so that the quake safe? Consult qualified architect and structural engineers. Then in highly seismic areas, the use of mud or timber is better than using heavy construction material. So keep roof as light as possible. It is safe. Then in case the structure falls, the damage will not be heavy. If the earthquake occurs means, if the roof is very light means it is not much as damages to the people in that house. So the roof is very light as possible in that areas. So it is better if the cupboards and the shelf are fixed to the wall so that they do not fall easily. Okay, we want to make what? Some cupboards, shelves are fixed to the wall. It is so the walls that does not falls easily. Then be careful where you hang wall clocks, photo frames, water heaters, etc. They do not fall on people. Since some buildings may catch what? Fire due to earthquake. It is necessary that all building is especially tall building have a firefighting equipments in working order. Okay, because of firing. If you are at home, what we want to do, take shelter under a table and stay there till the shaking stop. Then stay away from tall and heavy object. They may fall on you. So away from that object. Then if you are in bed, do not get up. Okay. Protect your head with a pillow while the shaking stops. Then if you are in outdoor means what you do? Find a clear spot away from the building or trees and overhead power lines. Drop to the ground. Okay. Away from these items. Okay. Then if you are in car or bus, do not come out. Ask the driver to drive slowly to clear spot. Do not come out till the trimmer stop. Okay. It is these are the precautions while you are at home and also you are in outdoor. Okay ma, that's all about today's topic. Thank you.